equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. The HP EliteBook 840G8 is a sleek device, but it has its limitations. First, ensure you have the right tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them organized. You'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips. Next, inspect the internal components. Look for dust buildup and clean it with compressed air. This helps maintain optimal performance. Check for any loose connections or damaged parts. A visual inspection can reveal issues that may not be immediately obvious. If you find any problems, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If repairs are needed, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. Plus, enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just hassle-free service. In conclusion, while the HP EliteBook 840G8 may not be easily repairable, regular maintenance can extend its life. Always handle with care and consult professionals when in doubt. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.